Hey crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Happy Friday the 13th. I love spooky season, so I thought today would be the perfect day to announce my open collaboration for an October daily series that I'm going to be doing called Spooktacular 2024. I will be doing an ongoing October daily series that I will have weekly updates. And my theme this year is the Spooky Movie Club. I'm going to have freebies, tutorials, and I also have a digital kit that's going to be available on my Ko-fi shop. I will have links down in the description box. This is an open collaboration. I welcome everybody to come participate. If you want to just grab the freebies and do your own thing, I would still love to see those. Spooktacular will start on October 1st, and I will be doing weekly videos to update you on what I am doing in my October daily. To kick off the fun, this week in my Ko-fi shop, I will have this Spooktacular movie prompt. This will be the 31 days of movies that I do plan on watching and documenting in my October daily. This is just a list of my classic movies that I love to watch every spooky season. So please follow along or feel free to add in or subtract any that don't fit your spooky vibe. I've got Hocus Pocus, Practical Magic, The Craft, The Nightmare Before Christmas, Beetlejuice, Halloween Town, The House with the Clock in the Walls, The Witches, Edward Scissorhands, Sleepy Hollow, Corpse Bride, Trick or Treat, Friday the 13th, Halloween, Casper, Hocus Pocus 2, Dracula, Haunted Mansion, Fright Night, Buffy the Vampire Slayer, Nightmare on Elm Street, Ghostbusters, Young Frankenstein, Goosebumps, The Addams Family, Teen Wolf, Addams Family Values, Scooby-Doo the Movie, Twitches, Gremlins, and I round it all off with the ever-classic It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. These are my favorite movies to watch during Halloween and spooky season. I will be having freebies each week starting in October. This is a sneak peek of the first freebie that will be available. And I'm going to do a brief flip through of the kit that will be available on my Ko-fi shop. I've got numbered pumpkins so that you can number all your October daily fun. I've done background papers in spooky colors. I've done ephemera to match the kits. I've created movie tags with the movies that I plan on watching, and I've left blank ones in case you want to fill in your own favorite movies. We've got the Spooky Movie Club images, more ephemera, bookmarks, and journaling tags. I have some pockets, more images, and for the tutorials, on October 1st, I will put up a video showing you how to create this little mini album. This is just my prototype that I haven't decorated yet, but I will be giving you cutting guides and instructions on how to create this to create your own October daily to follow along with our Spooky Movie Club. Again, the digital kit will be available on my Ko-fi shop. The link will be in the description box. I hope you'll come join me for hashtag Spooktacular 2024. The freebie for Friday the 13th, the movie prompts will be available in my Ko-fi shop, and the digital kit for the October Daily Spooktacular event is also available in the Ko-fi shop, all starting today, Friday the 13th. So I'd love it if you'd like, subscribe, and comment. And please ring the notification bell to come back and join me for all the spooktacular fun. And until I see you again in the attic, y'all take care.